Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make a really quick pizza sauce. Simple to make, few ingredients, better than store-bought. So let's crack on and show you how to make a really nice pizza sauce. Let's do it. Right, what we need to do, get a flame on. Boom. Not too much. We're going in with a splash of olive oil. Get olive oil in there. And then we're going straight in with the garlic. So let's get our garlic in. Right, there's our garlic in there. Give it a little flick round. Stir it round. No burning, guys. Just cook the aroma. Get the aroma cooked out. Get that strength of that garlic into that oil. Now this is very, very easy. As soon as it starts to turn brown, in with our tomatoes. And then just give it a quick stir so there's nothing stuck at the bottom. It won't be. And then we're going to go in with our tomato paste. So get our tomato paste in there. Now I'm going to put all this tomato paste in because a pizza sauce is quite thick. You know, it's not a runny sauce on a pizza, is it? Just let's give that a little gentle stir around. Now you can always have some water on hand if you want. You know, we don't want to burn this, and it is going to be quite a thick sauce, I hope. That's the idea. We want a thick sauce paste. But you know, adding a little bit of water will actually take it down a little bit, but whilst it's cooking, it will evaporate and thicken up. So in with our sugar, black pepper, paprika, salt, dried basil, dried oregano, and let's give it all a good mix in. Oh, that smells absolutely wonderful already, actually. So just give it a little bit of a cooking. We're not going to cook this too long, to be quite honest. You know, we're only going to cook it a couple of minutes, just to get all those flavours mixed together. Now what you can do, guys, you know, you can actually blend this if you wanted. Or you could leave those bits of chunks of chopped tomato in there. Now I like a nice chunky sauce. But you know, stick blender, bzzzt, finished, easy. So we need to give it a taste test. Nice little taste test. That is a very tomatoey sour natural sort of pizza sauce. Now if you wanted to add more sugar to make it a bit sweeter, up to you. But that is a really nice tomato sauce with a twang to it. I'm not going to say it's completely sour, but it's not sweet either. So that's it, guys. Now I like my sauce chunky, so I'm going to leave this. But if you wanted a smooth pizza sauce, you would blend it. In fact, let's blend one. So it's alright talking about it, guys, but let's blend it and just show you. So a nice steady blend in there. Right, that's our pizza sauce done. That was so quick. That's finished, guys. There's our finished sauce. How perfect is that? All we need to do now, guys, is let it cool down. Let it cool down. We can store it in a jar. Stores it easily for at least a week or more, even up to 2 weeks. It depends how you have your refrigerator set. Now, it does freeze very well too, so you could actually freeze it in portions. So that's our pizza sauce. Let it cool down, we'll bottle it up, and we'll give it a try on a pizza. Easy as that, guys. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. Oh, there we go, a nice rustic pizza. Back on with some sauce. Pizza done. Let's get it in the oven.